Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we will walk through selected features of the Hudiy application. As you may already know, Hudiy is an application that works on the Raspberry Pi 4B and the Raspberry 5. Hudiy is designed to help you prototype your custom infotainment system with a focus on education and the joy of creating new things. You can customize almost every part of the application and even create your own user interface components using HTML and JavaScript languages. To get Hudiy, visit our website at Hudiy.eu. Also consider subscribing to our channel to stay up to date and to discover more features of the Hudiy. Now let's browse the main menu and see what's inside. As you can see, menu is divided into categories, but you can organize it any way you like. Hudiy supports the hands-free Bluetooth profile, so you can make phone calls, browse contacts and view call history. Using our companion app, you can also display notifications from apps installed on your Android phone. Hudiy supports playback from various music sources. You can play music from local audio files, Bluetooth, CarPlay, Android Auto. You can run, for instance, YouTube Music as a web application, or you can use RTL SDR devices to listen to FM radio. Hudiy emulates an Android Auto head unit, so you can connect your Android phone wirelessly or via USB and use Android Auto. With CarLink devices, you can use Apple CarPlay with your iPhone. Hudiy introduces the concept of dashboards where you can arrange widgets however you like. You can use built-in widgets or create your own using HTML and JavaScript. Now let's walk through the interface to get a sense of the overall look and feel. Another concept introduced by Hudiy is overlays. Overlays can be displayed on top of all interface elements. They can be used to show important data or provide quick access to frequently used controls. You have full control over which menus the overlay appear on, and you can freely position them anywhere on the screen. You can display built-in overlays like navigation or volume controls, or create your own using HTML and JavaScript. In Hudiy you can set a custom background for each menu individually. Hudiy follows the material design guidelines. You can set a separate source color for light and dark modes to colorize the interface. Now let's see how custom overlays created in HTML and JavaScript work in Hudiy. You can find examples of widgets, overlays and much more on our GitHub. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up.